Hi everyone, it's Warren coming to you from the Northern Lite factory in Kelowna, British Columbia. I'm just going to do a quick little orientation on how the water heater switches work on here. Some people get confused with this little light that's in the center here. This light is a warning that something has malfunctioned on the water heater. Perhaps maybe the propane is off or something that, or it maybe has run out, but something along that line. So what happens when you turn this switch on, the gas switch, and this isn't going to light up like this because we don't have any propane in this unit, but you flick the switch on and the light will come on like this, and this is indicating that the water heater is lighting. Okay, if we had the propane on in this unit, this light would go out. If the switch is on and the light is out, it means everything is working the way it is supposed to. There, actually you can see it right now. There must have been a little bit of propane in the system. So that's the way it should be working. There. That rests my case here. You can see now we have no propane in here. The light has come on, meaning that you have something going on, and in this case we don't have propane in the unit. So if the switch is on and the light is out, it is working the way it should. The other switch is for electric, and that is if you are plugged into shore power, you simply turn it on and it just operates the way it should. The light will not come on or anything. The light is only specific to the gas function. Okay, thank you very much for watching.